We got our copy of Outnumbered, Improbable Heroes a few weeks ago, but finally have an opportunity to unbox it today. Shows here it's published by Genius Games Jr. This should take us 20 to 30 minutes for kids aged 8 and onward, and for 1 to 6 players. Here are the rules. The layout and font is very reminiscent of a comic book, so I think even my kids would not mind if I got them to read the rules to me instead. Genius Games has got some new titles and I can't wait to try them. Let's take a look at the board. It's well made, it's not peeling, and it looks like you could stand up to kids' abuses. Whoa, did you see the back? Most board games just leave the back blank, and this would actually make quite a cool poster. Back to the front. Here's the infinity generated truck, the one that everyone wants a piece of. This is cute. I'm glad it's a quality wooden counter that actually looks like a truck, and that will help in the game narrative for sure. These are the barricade cards, and I still get a kick folding cards because I take great pains to teach my kids and students to take good care of them by not bending them. And what am I doing here? Finding joy in doing this. Who else is with me on this one? And here are the villain cards. They come in 2 colors, blue for sidekick and purple for hero mode. These are our heroes. You can add one, double a value, flip the opposite side of the die, reset the die, and re-roll your dice. And these are the event cards, which pretty much have additional villain actions against the players, except that one. And these are the special bonus powers that our heroes get. And the 3 D6 dice that we'll use. This looks like a very exciting game that we will play really soon, and we will get back to you on a review in a short while.